This is Intuit Magazine. I am Vanessa Michelle, and we are with the Peacemakers, just some of the Peacemakers. And we have Billy. He is the...
I'm the creator and director of the Akron Peacemakers.
And
I'm Willa Keith. I am the program coordinator.
And we have one of the youths. And
I'm Ryan Hall.
Ryan Hall. So they came and joined me because we saw them in the crowd and we're like, oh great, Peacemakers. So what is it that you guys do exactly?
Well, first I just want to give an understanding. Peacemakers is a youth organization, grades 9 through 12. I created that back in 2008.
Oh, okay.
We have more than 100 Peacemakers, and primarily we wanted to get youth together so that they would have a voice in our community. We teach them how government works, how the community works, and police and community relations works. And so we go out and we do some volunteer work in the community so that young people can be part of the community. And Ryan can tell you a little bit more about some of the things that we do within the community.
Honestly, we are not the, normally people refer to us as a pillar in the community, but we're more of a river that flows through the community. Wherever you see a challenge or an issue where you need volunteers, you can find a Peacemaker there doing something. And also I would venture to say that in a sense, we are students of the game, of society, of life, because we're learning, we strive to learn and gain knowledge because we know we don't understand as young people, we don't have the life experience or the knowledge base that a lot of the adults have, but we do have a new perspective on things, so we learn so that we may teach our peers.
And how has this affected you?
Well, this here, greatly, it's given me confidence, I guess, in what I do, because when I first started Peacemakers, you couldn't have paid me to talk in front of anybody, but now it's just kind of like what I do, and it's very supporting, and if I need anything, I know I can go to Mr. Solar, Mrs. Keith, and ask, and they'll help us with anything.
Great, yeah, that's awesome to hear. And for you, just as like the coordinator, what kind of things do you see that the community doesn't really know about when it comes to young people being peacemakers and creating that change?
One of the things I want the community to see is that young people can play a vital role in keeping our community safe and strong. We need to give them that opportunity, and in Peacemakers we give them the tools to be leaders not only in the community but go out in the future and just affect change. Our problem with our young people and with how society look at them is that they're always the problem. And not the solution. They are our solution. And we need to really recognize that and respect that.
And that's what we do in the Peacemakers. We give young people that opportunity to step up and to come up with solutions, be a part of the solution, and we have done that over the 9 years that we've been involved with young people. We work with young people grades 9 through 12, but we've also extended into colleges. So now we have an alumni association of Peacemakers who come back and work with our young people. We've got a Teen Expo coming up on July 30th, and we ask all young people, come out, be a part of our Teen Expo, find out what we're all about, find out some of the things that you can do as a teen to make your community better, and that's all we're all about.
That's excellent.
Okay, we also have our new Peacemakers orientation for new members coming up in July and August. Applications are on our website at akronpeacemakers.org. Download the form, send it in. We need new young blood. We need young people who want to make a difference in their community.
Awesome. That was well said. Thank you guys so much for doing this for us. Intuit Magazine. I'm Vanessa Michelle.